Article 13 declares that all laws that are inconsistent with or in derogation of any fundamental rights shall be void. In other words, it expressly provides for the doctrine of judicial review. This power has been conferred on Supreme Court Article 32 and High Court Article 2 to 6 that can declare a law unconstitutional and invalid on the ground of contravention of any of the fundamental rights. Contravention means violation. The term law in Article 13 has been given a wide connotation so as to include the following: a. Permanent laws enacted by the Parliament or state legislature. B. Temporary laws like ordinances issued by the President or the state governors. C. Statutory instruments in the nature of the delegated legislation, that is executive legislation like order, bylaw, rule, regulation or notification. And D. Non-legislative sources of law, that is custom or usage having the force of law. Thus, not only a legislation but any of the above can be challenged in the courts as violating fundamental rights and hence can be declared as void. Further, Article 13 declares that a constitutional amendment is not a law and hence cannot be challenged. However, Supreme Court held in the Keshavananda Bharati case 1973 that a constitutional amendment can be challenged on the ground that it violates a fundamental right that forms a part of the basic structure of the Constitution and hence can be declared as void. Mudit sir. Article 13. Law inconsistent with or in deterioration of fundamental rights, then judicial review and struck down to the extent it is null and void. Any amendment to the Constitution under Article 368 is not under judicial review. That is 24th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971. Parliament got the authority to amend fundamental rights. Keshavananda Bharati case 1973. Supreme Court said you cannot amend the basic structure of the Constitution. Combining Article 13 and Keshavananda Bharati case 1973, constitutional amendment acts are not subjected to judicial review, but if it is going against the basic structure of the Constitution, it can be struck down. 99th Constitutional Amendment Act, that is creation of NJAC, it is struck down because it disturbs the power sharing between judiciary, executive and legislature. It is against the basic structure. Article 13 is not a fundamental right, it is a tool for judicial review. It creates a balance between judiciary, executive and legislature. Law means act, notification, laws, bylaw, rules. act, laws, bylaw created by legislature, notification and rules created by executive. So judicial review is for both executive and legislature. Constitutional definition, Article 13. Laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. All laws in force in the territory of India immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, insofar as they are inconsistent with the provisions of this part, shall, to the extent of such inconsistency, be void. Next, the state shall not make any law which takes away or abridges the rights conferred by this part, or and any law made in contravention of this clause shall, to the extent of the contravention, be void. Next, in this article, unless the context otherwise requires, law includes any ordinance, order, bylaw, rule, regulation, notification, custom and usage having in the territory of India the force of law. Next, laws in force include laws passed and made by legislature and other competent authority in the territory of India before the commencement of this Constitution and not previously repealed, notwithstanding that any such law or any part thereof may not be then in operation either at all or in particular areas. Next, nothing in this article shall apply to any amendment of this Constitution made under Article 368.